Hey there, I'm Doug Farrar. Hello and welcome. And thank you for choosing Manna. And I know there's a lot of different tools out there that are making huge promises about what they can do for you and your business and all that. And I appreciate you choosing us. And I just want you to know we're working really hard to provide the best possible AI tools for you, not to just be tools, but to really be a thinking partner, a partner in your business where you, the human, are calling the shots and the AI is just kind of assisting you as you go. So I started doing this because I was frustrated. I love AI. I'm really into it, but I was frustrated with those generic tools and the way it just, it's impressive what they can do, but it just didn't quite sound right. Everything that it produced, I had to like really change it at so much because it just didn't really get it. It didn't get me. It didn't get our business model and all that. So I built this so that it could meet my needs first. And then from there, it grew into the Manna AI suite. So what makes us different? Well, three things. First of all, it's trained specifically on Juice Plus, every product, all of our promotions, the current promotions, compliance guidelines from the company. It really knows our business model. It knows how things work. Second, we're built for personalization. We have it built in to make sure that the AI knows about you, how you like to run your business, what kind of activities you do in life, and then it helps you to integrate that more into your life. So it really learns your voice, it learns your stories and your unique approach. Third is that you're not on your own. There's a community of Manna AI users that you'll be joining into the Facebook group, and you get to interact with them. And we have events, and I have help sessions and all kinds of things like that. So what do we do to get going? Well, let me show you. First of all, once you log into Manna, the lines, and you can either have the menu open or closed. But in the getting started section, if you hit on your toggle there, you're going to see something called the Manna StartPoint. And I want you to just start doing that. If you just click on this little area that says begin, I'm just getting started, it's going to immediately just start asking you questions and interacting with you and helping you through this process. It's going to take 15 or 20 minutes. But what's going to happen during that time is it's going to learn more about you, and it's going to create a brand discovery report for you. So you know a little bit more about yourself and maybe how you should be presenting yourself on social media. And then you're also going to get a user style guide, which we're going to upload both of those things back into the AI so that it always remembers it and it never forgets it. Okay, so that's your start point. When you're done with start point, I'll show you in a second, but you're going to upload that style guide. And then when you do start using Manna, I want you to use these first three assistants here. I'm going to close the getting started folder and go to my daily business. Manna is what we call, that's our main go-to business buddy. This is your helper that helps you think through things and helps you brainstorm. It's kind of like a virtual upline, if you will. And that is really what you'll probably will use most of the time. Your next one you're going to want to explore is called DMO Pro. This is very similar, but this is a little bit more focused on like what you should do each day for your activities. Has a lot of influence from Stacy Turner, an NMD that has developed what's called the DMO Planner and has a training system and Zooms and all kinds of stuff. It's excellent, and I recommend it highly. And then the next one will be in this next folder over here under content and events. And that is your content creator. Everybody's always excited about, creating good social media. And this is going to be where you want to do that. Okay. So those are your first three things I want you to explore. Let me give you some next steps. Just reminding you, you're not doing this alone. Most Saturdays at 10 a.m., I host a live AI and coffee session at 10 a.m. Eastern. You can bring your laptop, your questions. We'll work through things together. I'll show you things that I'm doing. You can talk about things you're doing. And we can just figure out how to use all this stuff better and in a really authentic way. Final confirmations for whether those are happening each week are in the Facebook group, and that's a place you can check every day. And you'll see a link in your welcome email to join that group. All right. So remember, next thing you're going to do is your Manna Start Point, and there's another video for you to watch to learn exactly how to do that. Okay. So watch that video, get yourself set up, and again, welcome. Thanks for being here.